Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, August 2, 2023. Yesterday was a consolidation day for the markets. We had tight range, just 18 points of range in the S&P and fairly light volume as well. And we're going to take a look at this consolidation day pattern that we had yesterday. Yesterday was the tightest range that we've seen in several weeks. So there is a pattern called a narrow range 13, which means it's the most narrow range of the past 13 sessions that you can examine here and discover. That's what we'll be looking at. So I've got all four instruments selected here. Our trade type is based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. Now, the overnight session has been weak. We're getting a bit of a rally now at the time of this recording, but it has mostly been lower. So I'm clicking on gap down here from the gap direction in the opening filters library. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to grab that narrow range 13 pattern. It's over here in the active today. You can also find it from the range of our last session category. I've got that selected. Now I'm going to put us in a similar market environment. We did close above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average, and that gives me everything that I want for this test. Let me go ahead and click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time, when you are gapping down after a NR13 session in a bull market environment. Historically, we have 142 samples in the S&P, 134 in the NASDAQ, 145 in the Dow, 106 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on them, S&P coming in 62% of these closing above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, that's 58. Dow 56, Russell 55%. If we look at the average moves, a slightly larger average move to the downside in the S&P. That is also the case here in the NASDAQ, the Dow, and the Russell. So all four of these have average moves that are a little bit larger on the downside, but the win rates on them are all favored, with the S&P being the strongest at 62%. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.